Let's do some brainstorming. If you remember in lesson 5, we looked at 2 emails, a formal one from a bank manager to a client and a more informal one to co-workers. Who would you write a formal email to? Think of experience you have had in the past or experience you might have in the future. Who would you write an informal email to? And remember, informal doesn't always have to be to a very close friend. Informal can also be to a coworker that you have a good relationship with. And finally, on what occasion might a semi-formal email be suitable? Semi-formal is somewhere in the middle. Perhaps you started a formal email thread with a coworker and over time it became more semi-formal. Look at the next slide for some suggested answers, but remember to think about them first.